crypto trading for beginners. I'm about to show you something that can really help you if you're in the starting stages of your crypto journey. So guys, do this, and please note after my disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only, so let's get straight in. So guys, you want to go over to Bydfi, it's BYDFI, okay? It stands for Build Your Dream Finance, okay? Buy and sell BTC, ETH, LTC, and Doge, and all of our coins, all right? You can see them all coming up here, guys. It's an incredible exchange where you can start crypto at the beginning and actually get used to it. The website's really cool. So an overview of it, we've got the markets at the top, buy crypto, we've got the spot trading with the classics, advanced convert at the top, the derivatives, where you've got all through there. You need to learn this yourself, copy trading, affiliate, and the welcome rewards. If you want to get logged in, please do on the top right. As you scroll down, you're gonna see the popular crypto straight away, and you can just get straight in and buy and trade. What you wanna do is get your first coin in 30 seconds. So you create an account, you're gonna buy the coin with a credit card or bank transfer or other options, and then more mysterious box rewards can be received. Why am I telling you to go in here if you're a beginner? Okay, there's already 500,000 plus users, over 150 countries trading with them. They have multiple licenses, reliable and regulated. Their service diversification helps beginners not get overwhelmed. Copy trading to get copied and get paid, and easy deposit and withdrawals from fiat and crypto, and fast, easy money. Guys, you can trade anywhere, App Store, Mac OS, Windows, Google Play, all right? Doesn't matter what you're on. It's all over the media. Everyone's talking about it. It's super easy to get involved. Now, this was officially launched in 2020, and it was under the name Bityard. And with the crypto market as it's developed, it changed its names to BYDFI. So it's been around for 3 years, guys, and it is absolutely stable. Forbes Advisor, all right, on Forbes.com, actually do a lovely review on this. A lot of people do reviews on this, but I want to show you this one in particular. Okay, they give the verdict that it's a relatively new crypto exchange, okay, and the platform is focused on advanced crypto trading features that go well beyond the basics, okay? It offers margin accounts, derivatives, trading in relatively low fees, while trading complex crypto derivatives contracts isn't for beginners. It actually aims to make the process as simple as possible. So it's allowing you to have this. Now, some of the pros of the website, it offers crypto margin, trading accounts, competitive fees, fast signups, and easy to use. Some of the cons that they do openly admit, all right, there's no crypto staking. As of yet, maybe there will be in the future. There's no phone customer support and limited education materials. Guys, it's so simplistic. I don't think the education materials are really needed. If you carry on diving into Forbes and you're looking for the 10 best platforms, you'll actually see that it does come up on here as one of them. You can see it right here, okay? A huge 4.6, beating people like Kraken, who have been around for a long time, absolutely massive. Crypto.com, which is a huge one in the United Kingdom, all right? It's beating that. It's beating Coinbase, the biggest one of all time. So it is doing very well in the review stages. You want to know the most important thing? If you press get started right now, guess what? There is no KYC to get started. That is music to my ears. No KYC to get started. Just get your email in, get the verification code, login password, and get going, guys. There's over 400 cryptos on this to get involved with, and you can easily find the next gem on here too. So guys, right now they have an event going on for US and Canadian users. If you deposit $100, you can get $100 bonus back. All you got to do is get registered, KYC, message the support team, and receive that bonus, guys. So be excited about that if you're from the US or Canada. That's it, guys. Do me a massive favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the next video.